eventually, they will work with other directors. But I also want them to be, in the long run, gusto ko, pag nakita nila ako, yung, ay, si Direk Andoy, or, ay, si Andoy, di ba? As opposed to, nakalimutan na rin natin, di ba? Mas maganda yun eh. Mas doon ako kumakapit as opposed to success, di ba?
If I may add lang, Jude, Direk Andoy started in ABS-CBN, Marina, Mula sa Puso, and everything. After how many years working in different networks, he is officially back to ABS-CBN, and he's part of one of the teleseries very soon na magiging mapapanood natin. So, welcome back, Direk Andoy sa ABS-CBN and Star Cinema.
Yes, maraming salamat. Yes, I have come home at last. Ano lang yun, ganun naman eh. We move on, we grow, and then we come back kung saan ang puso mo. Ganun lang ako bilang tao.
To quote Ma'am Charo, every time na may babalik na kapamilya, I'm glad you're finally home. Diba? Kasi one of the, nagsimula sa TV production si Direk Andoy. So lahat ng kaibigan niya andito. So talagang with open arms, welcome siya ng ABS-CBN. Ayun.
Yeah.
Okay, more questions. Si Albert, si Chicken has asked.
May connection.
Ayan, oo. Go ahead.
So for...
That's the questions for
Julie.
kay Julie and Inigo.
Do you believe na you have to dictate time for you to be in love? Or kailangan maramdaman para masabi na love?
Has time got to do with being in love?
Yeah.
Ganon?
I think dapat nararamdaman. It's not because of time. It doesn't matter when it comes. I mean, it'll come when it comes. You know, you can't control it. That's why mas importante na nararamdaman kaysa yung pilit.
Bakit parang may nararamdaman ka na ba sa kanilang dalawa? June, go ahead. They're so, comfortable with each other.
Yeah. No, wala. Time has nothing to do with it. Falling in love is a trap. You know, once you're in love, there's no going back. So, it just happens. No? No? Have you ever felt that too?
Falling in love is a trap.
Falling in love?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a trap.
It is. It really is.
Sweetheart,
There's no turning back.
There is. You can always turn back and move
How?
on.
How?
Just move on.
Parang ang dali yan.
Dali, easier said than done.
Go, Albert.
And is there something holding back for the two of you na hindi nyo, na hindi nyo masasabing it's time pa for you to be together, to be in love?
Kasi Joel, Inigo, apart from working sa Once Upon a Time tsaka dito, ano ba yung pagkakakilala nyo sa isa't isa? Saan lang ba kayo nagkakilala? May kwento yan, alam ko, nag-cross paths na sila nung bata sila. Can you make that kwento? Can you make that kwento? Okay.
Kanya.
May ganun, di ba?
Siyempre, Papa P and my tita, they work together in, Walang Kapalit, Milan.
Buttercup.
And, syempre, buhay na kami noon. Tapos, they always would say na sana ma-pair up kayo one day. And stuff like that. But we never met. And then finally, I did when Papa P had his contract signing. And so did I. Tapos doon ko siya na-meet. And then instantly, we were able to talk about so many things. And then, even when he was in the States, we'd still be talking. Which was really nice of him. Tapos sinasabi niya na sa akin na, sana, maging actor na ako one day, and gusto ko ikaw ang maging ka-love team ko. And I was like, yes, sige, that will happen, that will happen. Siyempre, may Mirabella, may... Ang dami kong naging ka-love team.
Bago siya.
And then finally, he came home and started working. Tapos kami pa yung pinag-pair. So, I feel like, I really have a friend in Inigo.
Ganun talaga yan. Inigo, please, you wanna add to
Yun nga, we met at the contract signing. First time I met Julian, sobrang far from what I expected, to be honest. I didn't know how to approach her.
Ano ba yung far from the unexpected?
What's your experience?
I mean, nothing bad, pero like,
ano ba?
I didn't expect her to be so down to earth and so humble.
True.
Na I didn't expect her to ask me to hang out with her right away. Yung parang, we were already talking about hanging out and like we had common friends, so it was just really fast. Tapos parang we became super close. And at that time, nasa States ako, I would tell her na I really wanted to be an actor. At that time, my dad wasn't there, and I had like so many insecurities and all that. And she was just the one who was helping me, who was telling me, "No, you can do it." Like even till now, she helps me with a lot of stuff. Like pag natatakot ako when I'm nervous, even when it comes to talking, I'm so nervous with talking. But she like pushes me. She just I don't know. She just helps me out with a lot of stuff.
This I have to tell, you have to, pag nakita niyo si Julia walang mga ganito, ay nako, you will appreciate yung moment na kasama siya, na hindi press con, hindi vlog con, isang gathering lang, she's loka-loka. She's so cool. Kaya nga medyo, nagpapagirl nga ngayon, pero totoo, she's made friends with a lot of yung mga sisters niya, from Casey to Kim, di ba? So, everyone appreciates her. Ganyan siya ka, ano. Go, Albert.
And for Julia, some of
Papagirl ka rin eh.
some of our